You know, when the cool kids all have the latest tools and you think, I really, really need that? Well, guess what? You've probably already got something that works just as well already in your kitchen drawer. And that's what I discovered. I was cooking some mince last night and I thought, one of those meat mashers would come really in handy right now because I pulled some frozen pork out of the freezer and it hadn't quite frosted in time, so it was cooking in big chunks. But I thought about it and thought about the whisk and thought, why not give that a try? And what do you know? Works perfectly well. I already had one. I didn't have to buy something else. All good. And I have tried a potato masher before and it wasn't a great success. But the whisk, definitely, it works. Give it a try. Not the best example trying to do it one-handed while holding a camera, and it still works. And the potato masher was not so good.